Hi everyone. Today I want to show you how to make orzo steam pasta. It's type of pasta. I have 2.5 pounds of chicken, breast, thighs, whatever you want. I have one big onion, chop it. Don't worry about the thickness because you're gonna strain it later. And I have 5 cloves garlic. Dump it in the pot. I have 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. You want to put olive oil, doesn't matter. Today I want to use the vegetable oil. I have 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of coriander, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. I'm gonna put half a can of tomato paste. You don't want it very red. Just put a little, whatever. It's up to you. You know, there are two types: with the tomato paste or without. You put 1/3 cup of water and mix it. Mix it all together so the spice gets in the chicken. Now we're gonna put it on the stove. Set the stove to medium, and I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of butter, or as you want, the ghee. It's okay. Just mix it, saute it very well, cover it, and set the heat to medium-low. Now, while the chicken is cooking, we're gonna prepare the orzo. I'm using 1.5 box, which is 1.5 pounds, feeds 8 hungry people. This is a pasta family, you know. It's like pasta, but it is orzo. You're gonna steam it. We're gonna steam it here. See that's how it looks. Now I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Spread it on top and just mix it. Now we go back to the pot and we check our chicken. Just keep sauteing it until it's like 10 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes, you know. Now it's doing very well. Look at this, all the garlic and onion and the spice all cooked together. Now I'm adding 10 cups of water. Mix it. It is delicious meal. Cover it. Now it's boiling. Just keep mixing it. Now we're gonna steam the orzo that we just prepared with the oil. I'm gonna use the plastic wrap around it so the steam stays inside and the orzo gets steamed fast. You know, just cover it. It's like 5 minutes or maybe less. See how it's all steamed. I'm gonna put it here. Make sure don't burn yourself. I'm gonna bring it here to the water. I'm just gonna rinse it. All this oil. So now just mix it with your hand and let it dry. See, it gets dry a little. While it's drying, we have the sauce cooking. So now my orzo is dry. I have my ladle here. I'm gonna scoop 3 times into the strainer. See, make sure strain it because of the onion and garlic spice. Just mix it with the spoon and let it dry, like we did the first one. Now it's gonna be the second one. We're gonna steam. I add 1 cup of water to the sauce because the sauce evaporated. I need the sauce for the orzo in the end. Here you can try to taste and see if you need more salt. You add salt. I'm gonna steam it second time. See, it got dry from the sauce I put. And repeat the same thing what I did before. See, I add a new wrapping plastic. Okay, give it like 5 minutes. Put it back again. This is the second time is done. Just mix it. Repeat the same thing what we did in the beginning. The first one and the second one. Now this is the last one, the last steam. I have eggs here. I'm gonna boil it so I can decorate it on the orzo. 1 tablespoon of butter, I put it in the orzo. It's gonna see how the sauce looks. Delicious. Now you strain it and make sure the orzo, the sauce covers the orzo. See how much onion and garlic I got? Just keep mixing it. See how the orzo, it's absorbing the sauce. Mix it well and just cover it. Wait like every 15 minutes, open and mix until you see the orzo absorb all the sauce. Now I'm peeling the eggs, preparing the eggs. See, my orzo is ready. Yep, absorb all the sauce. See? It's time to get a nice plate. Just place your orzo. Fix it. Decorate it with the eggs. Just cut the eggs in half and just place it on the orzo. Add the chickpeas on the top. Add the chicken. And voila! Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with family and friends. Thank you.